Yes, I know the market is red. However, there's few stocks the market maker buying at the moment. We're gonna discuss the other stocks, the bottom for them, because AMC is visiting again an important support. So let's discuss the first stocks that jumped 40% and the potential for another 50 or 40% for tomorrow. So let's get right to it and start with this stock. It's called MGAM. Look what's going on. The market open, have a pullback because the short sellers just hunting for any stock jumping over the 20% or 30%. So now is the time for short sellers, because every stock jump today, in pre-market 50% or 60%. I was watching them and the market go down the moment the market opened. The short seller targeted those stocks. However, now we found support above the $2.82 and this ascending line. Here we got our breakout, and now the pull just came in heavily and the price went around the $3.40. So what we should expect, we have a mini resistance now for MGM to overcome around the $3.50. If we overcome it, we're gonna continue toward the $4.13, then the $5.46. Let me calculate how much will be. Yes, 17%, and again 50% for tomorrow. Let me just go for AMC, for Tesla. You know why? Because we testing an important support today and we got rejected again, the 313. Let me just go in a big picture, see what's happened. We have one test, two tests, and the third test happened just today. And guess what? The price is still holding up and doing higher lows. Perfect. So are we gonna have the breakout for the 313, the strongest resistance for this year, to mark a new high for price for Tesla over the 400? Are we gonna have it for this month? Yes. Just watch out and just put alert above the 313, because if we broke it and hold above it, this will give us the pivot area for Tesla to go first testing this ascending line around the 345, then the breakout will happen around the 380. If you want to load up on Tesla, you can on Momo, because now you could actually win 15 free stocks valued up to 2,000. When you open an account, you get one stock. If you deposit $100, you get 5 stocks, and if you deposit $2,000, you get 15 stocks in total. So what you waiting for? Get your free stocks with my exclusive link in comment section below. A notification will pop up here, will take you directly to open your account with Momo. Let me just go back and check the other stocks on my list. We have GameStop is going down. Is it the game over for GameStop? We have a test to hold in order to confirm that GameStop still have potential for jump again, which is the 29.90. Here we got rejected and the price now have a pullback down. However, the bottom should be above this ascending line that we bounced from. If the price broke this ascending line, just watch out for the $14 here. We should have a reversal and buying pressure like happened here back in May. And the best price that we're gonna get a huge volatility and squeeze is over the 47, where we're gonna get a huge volatility for GameStop to go to 62, then 83. HKD is going for a strong support as well, which is above the 71.70. This should be the bottom for HKD to get another huge bump. So a lot of you asked me, like, where the bottom should we buy HKD? Is there potential for another 500%, 1000%? We're gonna get another jump as long as we hold above the $70. Here should be the bottom. In order to confirm doing still higher lows here, then we're gonna get a huge jump. I'll put my alert around the 92, because this would be a turning point and entering a bullish trend around the 72 in order to get alerted. If the price broke below it, is mean we're gonna get sell off and it's not good to enter again. FDX as well have a huge gap. You know why? Because last two earnings, let me just show you the last two earnings. You see we have deficit of 100 million, the last earning 400 million. So the earnings or the revenue getting worse each quarter. Investors don't like this outlook for FedEx. So what we should expect, where's the price value for FedEx, is above the 122. Here we should get a bit of buying pressure. We're gonna get a confirmation for the market maker buying. When we get this reaction, the price will go around the 122, consolidate, then we're gonna get a huge buying pressure until the 190. So here we can make a swing trade. Let me just check. Yeah, another 50% or even 25% for FedEx. The bottom, if we don't hold the 122, for my opinion, will be the best price to buy FedEx is around the $65 for this year. Let me just go very quick for AVYA because it's sold off today 9%. Let me just check because yesterday we talked about AVYA for potential squeeze. We didn't overcome the $2.10. However, we're still holding this ascending line. This is show us the last bottom or potential for another jump for AVYA. If we're still holding above this ascending line, the potential for another jump and try to test the $2.10 and break from it, because the next time we break from this resistance, we're gonna get the squeeze area around the $2.68. Here we're gonna see a huge explosion for AVYA to go toward the $3.96. Here our profit taken first, the second profit taken $5.60. You know, in this kind of market is red, the short seller in control. What's the game plan? The game plan is we enter around the support and we take our profit around the resistance. It's simple. However, a lot of new trader and even my client and pitcher on Discord tell me like the same story happening. Price of stock going higher, but they don't know when they take their profit, and they listen to Twitters and people on YouTube giving imaginary numbers for the price will go to 100 and 200 for stock is priced around $1. So the best strategy that whatever the market crashing or jumping up is taking profit. So that's what we do here on our Patreon, on even on our YouTube and Discord. Always we take a profit, and we have a warning sign where the short seller come in, so we exit and enter with the market maker around the support. So let me know if you have any question, and we'll do update for crypto for tomorrow. So stay tuned for that, because the cryptocurrency have a turning point as well, and Bitcoin especially have a visit for strong support, because if we don't hold it, we're gonna get a huge bottom for Bitcoin where we're gonna hunt for it. So stay tuned for that, and see you in the next update.